श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधीरं निर्भयत्वमरोगताम् अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च घनूमस्मरणाद् भवेत्। मूकोऽपि यत्प्रसादेन मुकुन्दशयनायते राजराजायते रिक्तो राघवेन्द्रं तमाश्रये। अस्मद्गुरुसमारम्भां टीकाकृत्पादमध्यगां श्रीमदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। Namaskar to all of you. Today we are offering 18th Parayana, Sampurna Gita Parayana as our seva. Initially, we had the sankalpa of performing 1000 Gita Parayanas. When we have decided to conduct the Gita Yajna, all of us together, sincerely, with devotion, while chanting Gita, we wanted to offer some special chanting the Gita. Normally, to perform any yajna, there are some guidelines. We have to chant several mantra japa, or we have to do the parayana. Then, as conclusion, we are performing the yajna. With the support of all of you, we are very happy today to conclude the Gita Parayana Yajna. Many of you, every Saturday or some special day we had Parayana on Sunday, all of you have prepared yourselves and offered the Gita Parayana. Physically, we wanted to have everyone here in the premises of Krishna Vrindavana to perform the yajna, but Krishna's sankalpa is totally different. We have to keep distance because of the current situation. Anyway, this is just the beginning. When we are able to learn the Gita, Gita Vidya is in our hand. We don't have to worry. Krishna will definitely give us one more opportunity to get together and perform the yajna. So this distance or the live streaming is not new for us. Just imagine when we are doing the Nitya Puja, Yajna, we are getting connected to the Devatas, right? So are we able to have them, their presence physically here? No, we have to sit at our place, secure ourselves, and we have to concentrate, connect through the channel of bhakti. That is what called live stream. They are in Devaloka. Of course, their presence is everywhere. Krishna himself, he says, Maya tatamidam sarvam jagat avyaktamurtina. His presence is everywhere, but we have to connect to him through our mind, right? Dhyana yoga paro nityam vairagyam samupashrita. There are so many distractions around us. Challenge. Still, we have to connect our mind. How we are getting connected, all of us, through internet. Like that, we have to go through that channel, the devotion, bhakti, dedication, along with faith. Even though there are so many distractions, we have to control ourselves, mind especially. Vashyatmanatu yatata, right? Krishna is giving instruction to us. It is possible when you are able to bring the mind in your control. There is only option for us. So we have to try. So that every time we are performing yajna, only thing is, so we can get together in one place, but now we are sitting at our home and offering our seva from our place. But aham hi sarva yajnanam bhoktacha prabhurevacha. Everyone is blessed to perform the yajna. There are several yajnas. Krishna, while giving some explanation on yajnas, he says, right, Dravya yajna, Tapo yajna, the categories of yajnas. But the most favorite yajna to Krishna is yajnanam japa yajnas. Japa, chant his name. When we chant slokas or any mantras, that helps us to concentrate our mind. Because, for example, when we are reading Gita, right? Gita book is in front of us. We are doing the Gita Parayana. So, all our indriyas, when we say loudly, our Vak indriya, Shravana indriya, we are able to listen. We are making proper pronunciation. We have to keep our eye also concentrated, right? Holding the pustaka. Mind has to be there, right? So this is how we are getting connected through Parayana to Krishna. So that is how Yajnana Japa Yajnosmi. Japa, chanting the names, or doing the Parayana. Jakaro Janma Vichchedaha, Pakaro Papanashanaha, Tasmat Japa iti proktaha, Janma Papa Vinashana. The cycle of birth and death, this life, to come out of all the miseries of this samsara, we need his anugraha. Take his name with devotion. He will lift us from all the difficulties. The reason is Papa, Pakaro, Papa Nashana. His name, that is the only solution for us to come out of challenges, difficulties, mainly the Papa, sin of our, like we don't know since how long we are carrying and how big is the quantity of our Papa karma is. But Krishna makes that statement also very, very clear. Aham tva sarva papebhyaha mokshayishyami ma shuchaha. We don't have to worry. All the time we are worried about our own issues, challenges, difficulties, worries. But when we don't have some solution, we are kind of blind to finding the solution for our problems, then what is the reason of getting worried? And end of the day, we feel that is no use, right? Do something which going to give some benefit, fruit for you. All of you, you have offered your couple of hours every day to come to this point, as we are eligible to do the Gita Parayana fluently. That is great achievement, not easy. Anything we cannot find in this world easily. Without efforts, without spending time, energy, concentration, we cannot achieve anything. But with confidence, if you do something with this grace, that is ultimate, of course, you can achieve anything. Every Saturday, since past several weeks, we have been performing the Gita Parayana, minimum 3 hours of our concentration accumulated as Krishnanugraha. Not easy, but still we could able to do something and we feel satisfied, right? You cannot get this satisfaction from anywhere or from any actions, any activities. This is your personal, because the punya is the only thing going to come with us even into our upcoming lives. We don't have to worry. Krishna gives a clear message, right? Neha bhikramanashosti pratyavayo na vidyate swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. We spend lot of time in our life to have simple and dry conversations. Time goes, flies. We cannot get that time back. How many minutes, hours we have been like spending for just simple conversations. So many movie stars or sports stars, politicians, they come and go. TV, newspapers, and such social, like in a media, and our social conversation. We are very much interested in. But end of the day, what is the achievement? Just dry conversation, nothing going to remain other than the negative influence on us. So what is the benefit? That is completely useless, right? But when we do such punya karmas like Gita Dhyayana, Gita Parayana, look at the satisfaction you are getting. There are no words to express, right? So that is the reason we are requesting you to bring some awareness to others as well, so that they can also make their life meaningful, other than wasting time, some like waste conversations. Krishna gives that message 2 times in Gita. Vivikta desha sevitvam araktir jana samsati. And again in 18th chapter, Vivikta deshi laghvashi yatavakkaya manasaha. This is the qualification of a devotee. Vivikta desha sevitvam. We have to like be there in holy place. That means there is no distraction. Aratir jana samsati. The people, the mass, they go somewhere to have entertainment, just to spend or kill time. That's it. Every day of our life, not the day, the every hour or every minute, we are spending on something we cannot get that back. It is impossible. Gatakalaha napunarayati. There is no such technology or science to bring the time back into our life. Gone is gone. That's it. So the real achievement is called the punya and jnana. When we are able to chant Gita, take his name several times as japa, that is how Krishna will be pleased, because with their great compassion, he gives life to us as Manushya Janma, which is called as perfect when you compare with all other living beings in this world. We are able to think, able to talk, but when we misuse this opportunity, who is the loser here? Ourselves, right? So, Vivikta Deshi Lagvasi. Vivikta Desha Sevitvam Aratir Jana Samsati. We have to secure ourselves somewhere where is in a good concentration and we are getting some message or we are giving some good message to others. Shravanadi Vina Naiva Kshanam Tishtedapi Kvachit gives the clear instruction, the Shastra, the Upanishad as well. Even couple of or 1 minute of your time should not be like kind of waste. We have to utilize properly. But because of our own commitments, our own circumstances and challenges and the environment, so we are not able to do so. For that purpose, we have to dedicate some time, some minutes or hours of our time only for this purpose. Of course, this time and every time, as well as we have so many ladies participating in Gita Parayana, Gita Adhyayana. How much the work all of you are having, everyone knows about it. Ladies at home have to work hard. There is no weekend, no holiday, no time for to get relaxed or something. Still you are able to do Gita Adhyayana, Gita Parayana, means what about others? Easily it can be done, right? We are glad Krishna's grace is giving inspiration to you to get the Gita Adhyayana. When mother at home learns Gita, the entire family will become the Krishna devotee, Krishna bhaktas and Gita Adhyayis. That is for sure. Your yajna of Gita Adhyayana, Gita Parayana, Swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayato mahato bhaya, trayate mahato bhaya. Whatever the fear or confusion, worries about our own future. Yes, all of us, we are having so many challenges. This life itself is kind of miserable, or we have no idea about our tomorrows. But if we are keep on worrying where we don't have any solution, then what is the use? Krishna gives that assurance. Tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshevam vahamyaham. During the Gita Parayana, we chant 3 times. That is not mandatory. Still, to convince ourselves, because when we are dedicating several hours of our time without any such expectations, or just to have his anugraha, where all the challenges are still alive, we are scared about, but we are keeping everything away and just want to concentrate on Gita Adhyayana, Gita Parayana to have his anugraha. That is called Nityabhiyukti. Constantly let us have the sankalpa. Now Gita is in our hand. What else we want? Last time also I mentioned something. Krishna is there, present in this world, everywhere. His presence, even though like in a kind of all everywhere, all the time. But we are not able to connect, right? So when you have the waves of radio everywhere, you need some instrument to get connected. Like that, Krishna's presence, even though everywhere, but we need some solid something. One is the traditionally we are performing the puja, visiting temple, the vigraha with all dedicated seva, prana pratishtha according to Agama Shastras. But there are so many restrictions. You cannot enter just enter temple. If we are able to go to temple also, we have to follow some rules and guidelines. And when we are able to do so, but still there are so many other devotees. When you go to temple, you cannot, perform the puja directly to Krishna. You have to sit far. Of course, you can experience because that is the holy vibration is there everywhere. But when you are having the Gita in your hand, entire Krishna Sannidhana is there in you, in your hand. You don't have to go anywhere to get his ultimate anugraha. Of course, we have to do the Tirtha Yatra, Sandarshana, Darshana, but when we are not able to do during the times like this or in our daily basis, we cannot do. But Krishna is there in the form of Gita in this world to bless us. That is the easy and simple something, the path to reach him, so that we can experience his anugraha. Bhajatam phalapradaha says Mahabharata Tatparya Nirnaya. Not only just having the Gita or Krishna presence in our hand, you have the solution over there for all your problems. Because we will become very, very dear to him when we learn Gita. Krishna says, no, there is nobody in this world other than Gita Dhyayi, the very dear to me. So we are all. Because with his grace, with the yajna of several months, now we are able to chant Gita with humble feeling, right? So that is the most and important anugraha in our lifetime. Now we are chanting Gita today as our 18th Parayana. We had no such plans to conduct 18 Parayanas. It happened like that. Initially, we had the sankalpa of getting 100 devotees together and chant for 10 times. That will become 1000. But the first day, because of so many commitment and challenges or whatever, we could get only 30, not even 30, I believe some devotees here to chant Gita. But somehow Krishna had some different plans. The entire world got changed with the because of coronavirus or whatever. Now we are getting everybody, every time we are happy to see the participation of hundreds of devotees, somewhere around 175, 200 in between. So families are attending every time. So now it has become 1000 plus, right? So what else we want? Everyone's involvement, participation. When we are getting everybody in, we don't have to worry for anything. Because Sanghe Shakti Kala Yuge. In Kali Yuga, when we are doing alone ourselves Parayana, that may generate some punya. But when we are all together, right, that total vibration or total energy, that is huge. That is how Krishna says, Vrukshana, Ashwatha Sarva Vrukshanam. Ashwatha Vruksha, the people tree, which generates the maximum volume of oxygen, prana shakti. That is how it is considered as the auspicious tree among all the trees. When we have one Ashwatha Vriksha at our village, that is enough to give the positive prana shakti for entire village. That is how. So when we are all together, because it is having thousands of leaves and so powerful. When all devotees know Bhagavad Gita, reading, proper pronunciation, with bhakti and with only intention to praise Krishna, so look at the energy flow getting accumulated, so that it is considered as the most powerful yajna. Let us have that sankalpa. So many of you have requested. So now we are enjoying every Saturday's Gita Parayana. We want to continue. Yes, of course, we are also planning to do so. Let us continue our best as long as possible. So Gita will be there with us. We can definitely get connected to learn, to get the Gita Dhyana or coming into that, the routine. It is very difficult. I think most of you have experienced already the challenge getting into the Gita Dhyana, bringing into our routine. But initial couple of classes, couple of days, always challenging and difficult. But eventually you're going to love the Gita Adhyana. Now, of course, it is our very, very favorite thing we do. We expect for that day. How? That is how all of you are waiting for the Saturday Gita Parayana. May this real satisfaction be there with us always. Now we are planning to continue the Gita Parayana. Let us see how long you can, as long as His Anugraha is there with us. And today we are concluding the 18th Gita Parayana, even though we have offered 2 days ago on the auspicious day of Krishna Pratishtha, Sri Padaraja Aradhana, Jyeshta Shukla Chaturdashi. Now let us perform the 18th Parayana. May Krishna bless everyone for this Japa Parayana Yajna. And again, we are performing the Gita Yajna on coming Saturday. Please, all of you, not only you, all your family, friends, relatives, ask them to join. Let them get the punya of Gita Yajna, because Gita Yajna doesn't come easily. We never get such opportunities. Your involvement also there. Look at the efforts of our teachers and all the students. 1 year almost, right? Now the great achievement, Tatkurushva Madarpanam, the conclusion with the Krishnarpana. So that we have decided to perform the Gita Yajna as Samarpana to Krishna. Through Agni, whatever we offer, perform the Seva, Lord accepts directly. So the quantity of the Ahuti we are offering in Agni, look at end of the day, after the Yajna, nothing will remain. Only some ashes as bhasma, as prasada. That means we are giving something and devatas are accepting instantly. So that I request everyone to participate. Gita Yajna, of course, you are all waiting for, and let others also join. Spread the message among your contacts, your friends, your relatives. If anybody are interested or able to chant with us, they are also welcome. No restrictions at all. And of course, our live stream has the capacity to accommodate several hundreds of people. Only intention, the sankalpa, to inspire others to get into the Gita Adhyayana. That's all. We are not expecting anything from anybody other than Krishna Anugraha. We got this opportunity. We have, satisfied with the Gita Adhyayana, Gita Seva, Krishna Seva. What else we want? All of us, all the teachers and myself and Swamiji, everybody, we are all already pleased. We don't have any other expectation in our life. So we are expecting you only to benefit other devotees and other people, to make their life meaningful. Let them get involved in Gita Adhyayana Yajna. Let it be there forever with us into upcoming generations. When we are able to give the Krishna Bhakti awareness to them, everyone will be there blessed. Now, let us chant the Gita 18th time. May Krishna accept our seva and bless all of us. Now, let us have the Sankalpa first and let us continue the Gita Parayana. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Narayanaaya Paripurna Gunarnavaya Vishwodayasthitalayo Niyati Pradaya Jnanapadaya Vibhudha Suratukhya Dukkha Tatkaranaya Vitataya Namo Namaste. Yo Vippanam Bhaviparitamati Prabhuta Vadan Nirasya Katavan Bhuvitattvadam Sarveshvaro Hariviti Pratipadayantam Anandatirthamunivariyamaham Namami. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Bharati Ramana Mukhya Pranantargata Shri Gopala Krishna Preranaya Shri Gopala Krishna Prityartham Asmakam Sarvesham Sahakutumbanam Kshemasthairyam Virya Vijayam Abhaya Ayushyam Arogya Anandadi Praptyartham Samasta Dvaita Dushtarishta Nivaranartham Shri Krishna Sarvottamatva Jnana Bhakti Viraktyadi Praptyartham Shri Mukhya Pranantargata Gopala Krishna Prityartham Sankalpita Sahasra Gita Parayana Yajna Angatvena Yatha Shakti Gita Parayana Sevam Karishye.
Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Krishnaya Namaha. Narayanam Suragurum Jagadevanātham Bhakta Priyam Sakala Loka Namaskritam Cha Traigunya Varjitamajam Vibhumadhyamesham Vande Bhavagnam Amarasura-siddhavantyam Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet Vasudeva Sudam Devam Kamsacharnoramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Manojavam Marutatulyavegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtham Vatatmajam Vanarayuthamukhyam Shri Ramadutam Shirasa Namami बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत् व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः पूज्याय राघवेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनवे दुर्वादिध्वान्तरवये वैष्णवेन्दीवरेन्दवे श्रीराघवेन्द्र गुरवे नमोऽत्यन्तदयाळवे श्रीकृष्ण पूजार्पितचित्तवृत्तिं विरक्तचूडामणिबिन्दुशान्तम् अनन्तसद्भक्तप्रियं ममापि सुगुणेन्द्रतीर्थं परमाश्रितोऽहम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् हनुमभीममध्वान्तर्गतरामकृष्णवेदव्यासात्मक श्रीलक्ष्मीहयग्रीवाय नमः ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः अर्जुन विषादयोगः धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय सञ्जय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत् पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च मूं व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता अत्र शूरा महेश्वासाः भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः धृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तान्यबोधद्विजोत्तमा नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम् अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि तस्य सञ्जनयन् हर्षं कुरुवृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादं विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खं दध्मौ प्रतापवान् ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च प्रणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तु मुलोऽभवत् ततः श्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः पाञ्चजन्यं हृषीकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खं हेमकर्मावृकोदरः अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्ते पुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सह देवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ आश्लिष्ट परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्चापराजितः द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खं दध्मः पृथक् पृथक् सघोषोधार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यधारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलोऽप्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पादे धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत यावदेतान् निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् तैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे योत्स्यमानानवेक्षेऽहं य एतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्तो हृषीकेशः गुणाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरुनिति तत्रापश्यत् स्थितान् पार्थः पितॄनथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखीन् सखा श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान् कृपया परया दृष्टः ऋषितन्निदमब्रवीत् अर्जुन सर्पाणामस्मि वासुकिः अनन्तश्चास्मि नागानां वरुणो यादसामहं पितॄणामर्यमा चास्मि यमः संयमतामहं प्रह्लादश्चास्मि दैत्यानां कालः कलयतामहं मृगाणां च मृगेन्द्रोऽहं वैनतेयश्च पक्षिणां पवनः पवतामस्मि रामः शस्त्रभृतामहं झषाणां मकरश्चास्मि स्रोतसामस्मि जाह्नवी सर्गाणामादिरन्तश्च मध्यं चैवाहमर्जुन अध्यात्मविद्या विद्यानां वादः प्रवदतामहम् अक्षराणामकारोऽस्मि द्वन्द्वः सामासिकस्य च अहमेवाक्षयः कालः धाताहं विश्वतो मुखः मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम् उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम् कीर्तिश्रीर्वाक्चनारीणां स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिः क्षमा बृहत्साम तथा साम्नां गायत्री छन्दसामहं मासानां मार्गशीर्षोऽहं ऋतूनां कुसुमाकरः द्योतं चलयतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहं जयोऽस्मि व्यवसायोऽस्मि सत्त्वं सत्त्ववतामहं कृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः मुनीनामप्यहं व्यासः कवीनामुशना कविः दण्डो दमयतामस्मि नीतिरस्मि चिकीर्षतां मौनं चैवास्मि गुह्यानां ज्ञानं ज्ञानवतामहं यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदहमर्जुन न तदस्ति विना यस्य मया भूतं चराचरं नान्तोऽस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप येष तु देशतः प्रोक्तः विभूतेर्विस्तरो मया यद्यद्विभूतिमत्सत्त्वं श्रीमदूर्जितमेव वा तत्तदेवावगच्छत्वं मम तेजोंशसम्भवम् अथवा बहुनैतेन यज्ञातेन तवार्जुन दुष्टभ्याममिदं कृत्स्नम् एकांशेन स्थितो जगत्। ॐ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे विभूतियोगो नाम दशमोऽध्यायः। अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ एकादशोऽध्यायः विश्वरूपदर्शनयोगः। अर्जुन उवाच मदनुग्रहाय परमं गुह्यमध्यात्मसंहितं यत्त्वयोक्तं वचस्तेन मोहोऽयं विगतो मम भवाप्ययौ हि भूतानां श्रुतौ विस्तरशो मया त्वत्तः कमलपत्राक्ष माहात्म्यमपि चाव्ययम् एवमेतद्यथार्थत्वम् आत्मानं परमेश्वर द्रष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपम् ऐश्वरं पुरुषोत्तम मन्यसे यदि तच्छक्यं मया द्रष्टुमिति प्रभो योगेश्वर ततो मे त्वं दर्शयात्मानमव्ययम्। श्रीभगवानुवाच पश्य मे पार्थरूपाणि शतशोऽथसहस्रशः नानाविधानि दिव्यानि नानावर्णाकृतीनि च पश्यादित्यान् वसून् रुद्रान् अश्विनौ मरुतस्तथा बहून्यदृष्टपूर्वाणि पश्याश्चर्याणि भारत इहैकस्थं जगत्कृत्स्नं पश्याद्य सचराचरं मम देहे गुणाकेश यच्चान्यद्द्रष्टुमिच्छसि न तु मां शक्यसे द्रष्टुम् अनेनैव स्वचक्षुषा दिव्यं ददामि ते चक्षुः पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम्। सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा ततो राजन् महायोगेश्वरो हरिः दर्शयामास पार्थाय परमं रूपमैश्वरम् अनेकवक्त्रनयनम् अनेकाद्भुतदर्शनम् अनेकदिव्याभरणम् दिव्यानेकोद्यतायुधम् दिव्यमाल्याम्बरधरम् दिव्यगन्धानुलेपनम् सर्वाश्चर्यमयं देवम् अनन्तं विश्वतोमुखम् दिवि सूर्यसहस्रस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थिता यदि भासदृशी सा स्यात् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः तत्रैकस्थं जगत्कृत्स्नं प्रविभक्तमनेकधा अपश्यद्देवदेवस्य शरीरे पाण्डवस्तदा ततः स विस्मयाविष्टः हृष्टरोमा धनञ्जयः प्रणम्य शिरसा देवं कृताञ्जलिरभाषत। अर्जुन उवाच पश्यामि देवांस्तव देवदेहे सर्वांस्तथा भूतविशेषसङ्खान् ब्रह्माण्डमीशं कमलासनस्थं ऋषींश्च सर्वान् मृगांश्च दिव्यान् अनेकबाहूदरवक्त्रनेत्रं पश्यामि त्वां सर्वतोऽनन्तरूपम् नान्तं न मध्यं न पुनस्तवादिं पश्यामि विश्वेश्वर विश्वरूप किरीटिनं गदिनं चक्रणं च तेजोराशं सर्वतो दीप्तिमन्तं पश्यामि त्वां दुर्निरीक्ष्यं समन्तात् देवतानलार्कद्युतिमप्रमेयं त्वमक्षरं परमं वेदितव्यं त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परं निधानं त्वमव्ययः शाश्वतधर्मगोप्ता सनातनस्त्वं पुरुषो मतो मे अनादिमध्यान्तमनन्तवीर्यम् अनन्तबाहुं शशिसूर्यनेत्रं पश्यामि त्वां दीप्तहुताशवक्त्रं विश्वमखिलं स्वतेजसा विश्वमिदं तपन्तं द्यावा पृथिव्योरिदमन्तरं हि व्याप्तं त्वयैकेन दिशश्च सर्वाः दृष्ट्वाद्भुतं रूपमुग्रं तवेदं लोकत्रयं प्रव्यथितं महात्मन् अमेहित्वा सुरसङ्घा विशन्ति केचिद्भीताः प्राञ्जलयो गृह्णन्ति स्वस्तीत्युक्त्वा महर्षिसिद्धसङ्घाः स्तुवन्ति त्वां स्तुतिभिः पुष्कलाभिः रुद्रादित्या वसवो ये च साध्याः विश्वेश्विनो मरुतश्चोष्मपाश्च गन्धर्वयक्षासुरसिद्धसङ्घाः वीक्षन्ते त्वां विस्मिताश्चैव सर्वे रूपं महत्ते बहुवक्त्रनेत्रं महाबाहो बहुबाहोरुपादं बहूदरं बहुदंष्ट्राकरालं दृष्ट्वा लोकाः प्रव्यथितास्तथाहं नभस्पृशं दीप्तमनेकवर्णं व्यात्ताननं दीप्तविशालनेत्रं दृष्ट्वा हि त्वां प्रव्यथितान्तरात्मा धृतिं न विन्दामि शमं च विष्णो दंष्ट्राकरालानि च ते मुखानि दृष्ट्वैव कालानलसन्निभानि दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्मा प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास अमी च त्वां धृतराष्ट्रस्य पुत्राः सर्वे सहैवावनिपालसङ्घैः भीष्मो द्रोणसोतपुत्रस्तथासौ सहास्मदीयैरपि योधमुख्यैः वक्त्राणि ते त्वरमाणा विशन्ति दंष्ट्राकरालानि भयानकानि केचित् विलग्ना दशनान्तरेषु सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैरुत्तमाङ्गैः यथा नदीनां बहवोऽम्बुवेगाः समुद्रमेवाभिमुखा द्रवन्ति तथा तवामे नरलोकवीराः विशन्ति वक्त्राण्यभिविज्वलन्ति यथा प्रदीप्तं ज्वलनं पतङ्गाः विशन्ति नाशाय समृद्धवेगाः तथैव नाशाय विशन्ति लोकाः तवापि वक्त्राणि समृद्धवेगाः लेलिह्यसे ग्रसमानः समन्तात् लोकान् समग्रान् वदनैर्ज्वलद्भिः तेजोभिरापूर्य जगत्समग्रं भासस्तवोग्राः प्रतपन्ति विष्णो आख्याहि मे को भवानुग्ररूपः नमोऽस्तु ते देववरप्रसीद विज्ञातुमिच्छामि भवन्तमाद्यं न हि प्रजानामि तव प्रवृत्तिं श्रीभगवानुवाच आरोऽस्मि लोकक्षयकृत् प्रवृद्धः लोकान् समाहर्तुमिह प्रवृत्तः ऋते विद्वा न भविष्यन्ति सर्वे एव स्थिताः प्रत्यनेकेषु योधाः तस्मात् त्वमुत्तिष्ठ यशो लभस्व जित्वा शत्रून् भुङ्क्ष राज्यं समृद्धं मयैवैते निहताः पूर्वमेव निमित्तमात्रं भव सव्यसाचिन् द्रोणं च भीष्मं च जयद्रथं च कर्णं तथान्यानपि योद्धवीरान् मया हतांस्त्वं जहिमाव्यथिष्ठाः युध्यस्व जेतासि रणे सपत्नान् सञ्जय उवाच एतच्छ्रुत्वा वचनं केशवस्य कृताञ्जलिर्वेपमानः किरीटी नमस्कृत्वा भूय एवाह कृष्णं सगद्गदं भीतभीतः प्रणम्य अर्जुन उवाच स्थाने ऋषिकेश तव प्रकीर्त्य जगत्प्रहृष्यत्य न रच्यते च रक्षांसि भीतानि दिशो द्रवन्ति सर्वे नमस्यन्ति च सिद्धसङ्घाः कस्माच्च तेन न मेरन्महात्मन् गरीयसे ब्रह्मणोऽप्यादिकर्त्रे अनन्तदेवेश जगन्निवास त्वमक्षरं सदसत्तत्परं यत् त्वमादिदेवः पुरुषः पुराणः त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परं निधानं वेत्तासि वेद्यं च परं च धाम त्वया ततं विश्वमनन्तरूप वायुर्यमोऽग्निर्वरुणः शशाङ्कः प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रपितामहश्च नमो नमस्तेऽस्तु सहस्रकृत्वः पुनश्च भूयोऽपि नमो नमस्ते नमः पुरस्तादथ पृष्ठतस्ते नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वत एव सर्व अनन्तवीर्यामितविक्रमस्त्वं सर्वं समाप्नोषि ततोऽसि सर्वः सखेति मत्वा प्रसभं यदुक्तं हे कृष्ण हे यादव हे सखेति अजानता महिमानं तवेदं मया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि यच्चापहासार्थमसत्कृतोऽसि विहारशय्यासनभोजनेषु एकोत्थवाप्यच्युत तत्समक्षं तत्क्षामये त्वामहमप्रमेयं पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य पूज्यश्च गुरुर्गरीयान् न त्वत्समोऽस्त्यभ्यधिकः कुतोऽन्यः लोकत्रयेऽप्यप्रतिमप्रभाव इति ते ज्ञानमाख्यातं गुह्यात् गुह्यतरं मया विमृश्यैतदशेषेण यथेच्छसि तथा कुरु सर्वगुह्यतमं भूयः शृणु मे परमं वचः तुष्टोऽसि मे दृढमिति ततो वक्ष्यामि ते हितं मन्मना भव मद्भक्तः मद्याजी मां नमस्कुरु मामे वैष्यसि सत्यं ते प्रतिजाने प्रियोऽसि मे सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः इदं ते न तपस्काय न भक्ताय कदाचन न च शुश्रूषवे वाच्यं न च मां योऽभ्यसूयते य इमं परमं गुह्यं मद्भक्तेष्वभिधास्यति भक्तिं मयि परां कृत्वा मामे वैष्यत्य संशयः न च तस्मान् मनुष्येषु कश्चिन्मे प्रियकृत्तमः भविता न च मे तस्मात् अन्यः प्रियतरो भुवि अध्यक्ष्यते च य इमं धर्म्यं संवादमावयोः ज्ञानयज्ञेन तेनाहं दृष्टस्यामिति मे मतिः श्रद्धावाननसूयश्च शृणुयादपि यो नरः सोऽपि मुक्तः शुभान् लोकान् प्राप्नुयात् पुण्यकर्मणां कच्चिदेतच्छ्रुतं पार्थ त्वयैकाग्रेण चेतसा कच्चिदज्ञानसम्मोहः प्रनष्टस्ते धनञ्जय अर्जुन उवाच नष्टो मोहस्मृतिर्लब्धा त्वत्प्रसादान् मयाच्युत स्थितोऽस्मि गतसन्देहः करिष्ये वचनं तव सञ्जय उवाच इत्यहं वासुदेवस्य पार्थस्य च महात्मनः संवादमिमम श्रोतुम् अद्भुतं रोमहर्षणं व्यासप्रसादात् श्रुतवान् एतद् गुह्यमहं परं योगं योगेश्वरात् कृष्णात् साक्षात् कथयत स्वयं राजन् संस्मृत्य संवादमिममद्भुतं केशवार्जुनयोः पुण्यं दृश्यामि च मुहुर्मुहुः तच्च संस्मृत्य रूपमत्यद्भुतं हरेः विस्मयो मे महान् राजन् दृश्यामि च पुनः पुनः यत्र योगेश्वरः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवाणी निर्मतिर्मम यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवाणी निर्मतिर्मम यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवाणी निर्मतिर्मम श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो नाम 18 अध्यायः अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्। हरिः ओम्। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रगीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम ॐ अच्युताय नमः ॐ अनन्ताय नमः ॐ गोविन्दाय नमः ॐ अच्युताय नमः ॐ अनन्ताय नमः ॐ गोविन्दाय नमः ॐ अच्युताय नमः ॐ अनन्ताय नमः ॐ गोविन्दाय नमः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
अमृत्युस्तर सिंहा सिंहाता सिंहिमा स्थिरः अजोजन्मश्च नक्ताता विकटाता सनालिका गुरुतमो धामासिन्दारमसंयाति दीपाक्षेषं नमामि पुरुषोत्तम पदये संवासं प्रिया सकजगत्पते ज्ञानिकानि च पापायमान्तरगतानि च मार्गानि विनश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणे पदे पदे पापोऽहं पापकर्माहं पापात्मा पापसम्भवः त्राहि मां कृपया देव शरणागतवत्सल अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति तदेव शरणं मम तस्मात् साम्यभावेन क्षमां पुरुषोत्तमान् अपराधसहस्राणि क्रियन्ते हर्निशं मया तानि सर्वाणि मे देव क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः श्रीकृष्णाय नमः. Thus concludes our Gita Parayana Yajna, Sahasra Gita Parayana Yajna. Now we are ready to offer the Gita Homa on Saturday, 7 o'clock Eastern Time. We are planning to start the Gita Yajna. The Purvanga of Yajna may take 30 to 45 minutes. Approximately around 7:45 a.m. Please be ready to chant Gita with us. We will be offering the Gita Pradhana Ahutis here on behalf of all of you. We are taking part as Udgatri, chanting the Gita mantras. So there will be like the slight change in our Gita Parayana order. Order will be the same, but the procedure. So in the beginning and end, we're going to add two specific mantras. That is called Shri Mantra. We're going to have Shri in the beginning of every shloka and also at the end. That will be like Shrim Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yudhusavah Mamakah Pandavas Jaiva Kimakuruvata Sanjaya Shri. That is how we have to chant every shloka. Then Swahakara Ahuti will be offered. So slowly, with proper pronunciation, let us perform Gita Yajna. This is very auspicious, and all of us, we have been getting prepared for this Yajna, looking forward. The day is coming closer, only few days. I am requesting all of you, please prepare yourself with the proper pronunciation. On that day, so please be prepared with snana and light the deepa in your puja room. Then be ready to chant Gita. Before that, you are also welcome to prepare whatever the bhakshya, the naivedya, your favorite one to your dear Sri Krishna. After the Homa, Purnavati, Mangalarati, we will be performing Arati here to our Krishna, Shaligrama Shilamurti Krishna, here in the Garbhagraham. During that time, you will be offering the Naivedya, whatever you prepare at your homes. Then please keep the Arati also ready. After the Yajna, we coming back to the Garbhagraham and performing the Puja and Mangal Arati. Let us conclude everything as Krishnarpana. Immediately after the Maha Puja and Purnahuti at Krishna Sannidhi. Then, so we are getting ready to do something else. The next Sankalpa, let us have on that day. And another request, as I mentioned earlier, please ask your relatives and friends, everybody, to take part in this Gita Yajna. And one more request I am having, all Gita Yajna participants, please send your family, Gotra, name and all the details to us, to our volunteers by email, so that we can take everybody's name in our Sankalpa. We are praying Lord Sri Krishna to give more strength for all of you to have the Gita Dhyayana and make life meaningful. Let us get prepared for the great offering of Gita Yajna on Saturday, June 13th. Krishna Arpanamastu.
हरि ओम श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
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 हरि ओम
हरि
श्री
ओम श्री
कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
हरि ओम श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
हरि ओम
हरि ओम श्री
ओम श्री
कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
हरि ओम
हरि ओम
कृष्णाय
श्री
नमः।
कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
हरि ओम श्री कृष्णाय नमः।
हरि ओम श्री
कृष्णाय नमः।
हरि ओम श्री कृष्णाय नमः।
कृष्णाय नमः।
श्री कृष्णाय नमः।
श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
हरि ओम श्री कृष्णाय नमः। श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।